I'm pressing and printing and I'm not pressing. I'm just printing and curing my stuff. See, oven's running, printer's going. All right, so I wanted to show you something. Whoop whoop, boop boop boop. So I took this off the printer, and the issues that I was having with it, I fixed it. As you can see, it's open. See, it's open. I cracked it open. I'm not gonna show you what's under here. Not my stuff, so I'm not gonna show you. You can buy one and rip it apart if you want to. I damaged it a little bit. Right in here, see? I damaged it. But that was just me fucking around. I wasn't even looking at what I'm doing, and I end up burning that piece right there. It's not destroyed, it's just I burnt the plastic. But I just wanted to tell you the issue that I was having with this thing fixed. So that issue is no longer an issue. Don't have to think or worry about that issue ever again. All right. I will not show you how to do it. I just want to show you that it was. I just want to give you information that it was fixed. Give me 1 second. So I fixed it, and that's the end of that. Now, hold on. I might not show you how to fix this. Again, I didn't purchase this thing. This thing is not, I didn't put any money into this. This is for Offnova. Offnova paid for this thing. So I'm not going to show you how to fix it. I just want to let you know I fixed it. Whatever the problem was, I fixed it. I'm not going to show you. Again, I'm not putting this back on my printer because I like the way my printer is right now. I don't print that much. I can go, excuse me, as you can see, I got 4 days out of not printing. I'm having 4 days, solid 4 days, zero printing. I don't have to look at my printer. I'm not taking that Ciss back off to put this back on just to prove a point. I can literally just put ink in here just to show you that I actually fixed it. But what I'm going to do with this, and I have to get it prepped for that, I'm going to have to spray everything here black. All the points that I can see open, I'm going to spray the entire thing with black paint. The rest of it I don't really have to worry about, but everywhere that I can see is going to get covered in black paint. Only way, okay, so I want to say this before I forget. So the only way I can show you if this thing is fixed, let me say this again. The only way to show you that I fixed this thing, the only way I'll ever show you how to fix this is if Offnova said, yes, go ahead and show them how to fix it. Alright, that's the only way I'm going to show you. But me telling you how to fix this, not going to happen. That's Offnova's job, not mine. I don't get paid for that stuff. Alright? And I don't have enough subscribers to show anybody how to fix this. Not going to happen, so y'all can forget about that. Just know the issue's fixed with these two white bottles. My inks don't stir up like they used to. I can run this thing like it was meant to run without the inks catching a whole bunch of air bubbles in it. That's the whole reason why I'm making this video. That's why I want to get my memory back on, my brain back on track. Alright, so that's fixed. That issue is no longer there. The battery thing works fine. Everything else works perfectly fine. Let me show you. Let me give you a quick preview real quick that is actually fixed. I need some light to show it to you though. Let me turn it on. Turn it on. Ugh, turn on, you stupid thing. Oh, there it goes. Turned it on. Wasn't holding the button long enough. But as you can see it's fixed, and the waters are not, that liquid in there, it's just water. You see it's not stirring up and creating bubbles. Yeah, it's fixed. So I solved my issue. So this thing will run normally now, and I can run it like this, just like it's meant to be used, not work or run or nothing like that. So I can use it normally like it's meant to. My inks can be all the way at the bottom of the bottle just like that, and I don't ever have to worry about it creating a shit ton of bubbles and messing up my inks, and I can still run and print normally. Alright, that was my whole point with this video. Sorry, I'm just making stuff. Alright, so that was the point of this video, just to show you that. But to let you know what I'm going to do next, because I want to use this thing for something other than I want to use this thing for something other than a Ciss. I want to use it for what's the hell I'm gonna use it for? A UV DTF. UV. I'm gonna use it for a UV DTF printer. So this is the Ciss I'm gonna use, but I have to spray paint the crap out of it first. I think this button is not turning it on. Oh well. I think I know why it's happening. There it goes. There we go. Oh, I'm holding it down. Psh, dumbass. You're supposed to just press it, comes on. I'm holding it down like an idiot. That's why it's not coming on. Alright. So I'm gonna use this for my UV DTF printer. I have to spray paint this black, this entire thing black, and then I have to get black hoses. I don't know where I'm gonna get black hose from, but I have to find some. And I'm gonna use it for my DTF printer. That's my goal for this Ciss. If not, I have to get a different type of hose to put in here, or just wrap these up in a in something so the UV light can't get through it. I'll figure something out. All right. So is that I use this, or I have to buy a whole new Ciss, and I'd rather not buy a whole new Ciss when I have this sitting here not doing anything, and it works just like it's supposed to. So I think I'm just gonna use this bad boy. I don't need it for anything. I just want to point out that that's fixed. All right. So on my journey to get my UV DTF printer, build my UV DTF printer, this will be the Ciss I use. I just have to turn everything black. That's all. All right. And if Offnova, if you're listening and you have black hoses, that'd be great if you can send me some, so I can actually use your Ciss for something other than what it was meant to use for. All right. So till next time. Peace.